No men are foreign. Dear students, today I'm going to take up the poem No Men Are Foreign. This poem is written by James Kirkup. First of all, I'm going to recite this poem to you, so you listen very carefully. Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon, is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. They, too aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvests, by war's long winter starve. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take up arms against each other, it is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. My dear students, the poet in this poem is trying to put forward his point that all men are equal. We cannot distinguish them on the basis of caste, color, race, or creed. All such distinctions are useless, and these are all created by we humans only. In the opening lines, the poet is reminding us that although we belong to different countries and have individual differences, but the soul within us is the same. We speak different languages, but we all enjoy the natural beauty, which is same. Within all the uniforms, there lies the same body and soul. The earth that we all walk upon is the same, although the countries may be different, and we all will die one day and will turn into dust and will blend with the earth. Human beings all over the world enjoy the same warmth of the sun, freshness of air and water in equal measures. Like us, they all enjoy the prosperity during peace and suffer hunger and poverty during wars. In these lines, the poet further says that people living in other parts of the earth have the same hands like us, and they do hard work to earn their livelihood like we do. They have same eyes with which they sleep and get up in the same way as we do. They too win over others with love like we do. So, the human life is same in every nook and corner of the world and can recognize and understand each other. The poet is reminding us that when we use arms and fight wars, we actually are destroying our earth, making it dirty with bloodsheds and pollution. Wars only leave behind lots of destruction and misery. So, the poet, through his poem, is trying to assert to shun wars and follow the peaceful path and should not disturb the human existence. In the closing line, the poet again reminds us that all human beings are equal and all are same.